Hello, welcome. This is a video on absolute value. This is at the approaching proficient level, and they've given us a graph of an absolute value function, and say to find the key features for the graph below. So the domain. Now we're going to assume, since these go all the way to the edge of the graph, that they continue in both directions. And if it's going to continue, now it does appear to be going down, but it also appears to be going to the left on the left side, but also on the right side continues to be going to the right. And it obviously includes all of these values in between. So our domain is all the way to the left and all the way to the right, or from negative infinity to positive infinity. Now the range, those are the y values. Remember, domain, that's the x values, and the range, those are the y values. And so this does not go all the way up. It only goes that far. And that value and y, that value is 3. It's up 1, 2, 3. And but the arrows, as we pointed out before, on both sides here appear to be going down. And so the lowest value is on the downside, negative infinity. The highest value is, it goes up to 3, and it can be equal there at 3. So we're going to say bracket. This is kind of like the parabolas that we've been studying with the quadratics. They're not quadratics, but it's kind of similar in terms of their graph. All right, direction. Which way does this open? We would say that this opens down. And the vertex, that's this point right here. We have to go 1, 2 points to the left, so that part would be -2. And then from there it goes up 1, 2, 3, so the y part would be 3. And there's your vertex. Now increasing and decreasing are measured from left to right. So if I'm over here and I'm going from left to right, let's say I'm a little ant or something, I'm walking along here, boop, doop, 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 doop. I, in addition to going to the right, am also going up. And it's increasing from, on this side, negative infinity, all the way up until x equals -2. So from negative infinity to -2. Remember, these are x values. This goes all the way to the left, and it's increasing until you get to -2, which means it's decreasing from -2 all the way over here, from -2 over here to positive infinity. And so decreasing from -2 on the left to positive infinity on the right. And there you have it.